How to use pre-molded earplugs. Sounds can be harmful when they're loud and last for a while. The louder the sound, the quicker it can damage your hearing. The good news is you can use hearing protectors to keep your hearing healthy. These are pre-molded earplugs. Pre-molded earplugs are made from plastic, rubber, or silicone. There are a variety of pre-molded earplugs. One kind of pre-molded earplugs are high-fidelity earplugs. You might find these helpful at movies, concerts, and sporting events where you want to appreciate the audio quality and protect your hearing at the same time. They have the same effect as turning down the volume on a stereo. The sound intensity is evenly decreased across different pitches, from the lowest, such as a bass drum, to the highest, such as a flute. For proper use, they will be inserted into the ear one at a time and one per ear. First, be sure the earplugs and your hands are clean. Then, firmly grip the stem of the earplug. To insert, pull the top of your ear up and back to straighten your ear canal so the earplug is easier to insert. Use the other hand to gently slide the earplug in, using a rocking motion until you have sealed the ear canal. Insertion of the earplug should not hurt. If there is discomfort or pain, stop attempts at insertion. Check the fit. Have a buddy look and see if you have inserted the earplug properly. Or use a mirror to check the fit. To remove the earplug, slowly rock it back and forth to break the seal with the ear canal, and then pull it out of your ear. The best hearing protection is the type you are most comfortable wearing. There are many types to choose from. For more information about hearing and hearing loss, visit www.nidcd.nih.gov.